Hey everyone. We're gonna go ahead and complete this launch, which is a review of what we did last week. And we went over the concept of one sample mean confidence interval. So let's go ahead and go over the answers to the launch. Ms. Tran wanted to estimate the average weight of Oreo cookies to determine if the average weight was less than advertised. She selected a random sample of 30 cookies to find and found that the weight of each cookie in grams. The mean weight was X bar equals 11.1921 grams, with the standard deviation S of X equals 0.0817 grams. Make a 95% confidence interval to estimate the true mean weight of an Oreo. Interpret the meaning of this confidence interval. So first, in order for us to do this, we need to check our conditions. So because we're looking at a sample mean, there's a few things we got to check. So first, this was a random sample. We can assume that 30 cookies is less than 10% of all Oreos. And we know that the sample size is equal to 30, which means CLT applies. And this is a normal distribution. Okay. So what are the parameters? Well, let mu represent the true mean weight of all Oreo cookies. Okay. Now we can do the math. Well, we know that in order to find the confidence interval, we have to do X bar plus or minus T star times S sub X over the square root of N. And in this case, T star occurs at 29 because that's 30 minus 1 at the 95% confidence interval or confidence level. So let's look at our chart. We're at 29, which is right here, and we're looking at 95%. So we're looking at 2.045. So we know that T star equals 2.045. We know S sub X. So we get X bar. We're going to plug this all in. X bar is 11.1921 plus or minus 2.045 times 0.0817 over the square root of 30. And I get this to be 11.1921 plus or minus 0.0305. So my confidence interval is from 11.1616 to 11.2226. So what does this mean? Our conclusion, which is also our interpretation, tells us that we are 95% confident that the interval 11.1616, 11.2226 captures the true mean average weight of Oreos.